Unlocking English. Mastering adverb placement with verbs. Hello, English explorers. Welcome back to another exciting episode where we delve into the fascinating world of English grammar. Today, we're going to unlock the secrets of adverb placement, especially in relation to verbs. So, let's jump right in. Before we dive into the deep sea of adverb placement, it's crucial to revisit what adverbs are. In the simplest terms, adverbs modify verbs, adjectives, and other adverbs, providing us with more information about how, when, where, or to what extent an action occurs. Examples of common adverbs include quickly, very, well, and often. As a general rule, adverbs should be placed as close as possible to the words they are modifying to avoid confusion. But when it comes to verbs, there are some specific rules that we need to follow. Don't worry, we will explore these rules in the next sections. When an adverb modifies an action verb, it should usually be placed after the verb. For example, he runs quickly. She sings beautifully. However, it's important to note that some adverbs can be placed at the beginning of a sentence for emphasis or style. Quickly, he runs to the finish line. Beautifully, she sings the national anthem. When the verb is a linking verb, the adverb should be placed after the verb. Examples of linking verbs include be, seem, appear, look, sound, taste, feel, smell, and become. Here are a few examples. The soup smells deliciously. She appears visibly upset. If there are auxiliary verbs or verb phrases, the adverb is generally placed between the auxiliary verb and the main verb. For example, he has always loved her. They are often going to the park. And that's a wrap on our exciting journey exploring the placement of adverbs with verbs. Remember, the key is to keep the adverb as close as possible to the word it's modifying, and always pay attention to the type of verb you're dealing with. Practice makes perfect, so keep experimenting with these rules in your daily English conversations and writing. I hope this video has been helpful in your English language learning journey. Until next time, keep exploring and keep learning.